You tell me when it's ready. Okay, I'm gonna be launching it. Alright, it's getting really windy here. I'm bringing it back. Whoops! Crash! Let's go find it. Hopefully I didn't destroy it this time. The wind was pushing me really fast. Here it is. Let's see. How bad is the damage? Props looks okay. Gimbal looks fine. Props guard looks okay. I think we saved it. I don't know. Let's go fly it and see. It looks good to me. Let's go ahead and try it. Back in the field. Okay, flies good. It's very windy, you can tell. The last time I was going too fast here and I hit this tree. Thanks for watching. How are we gonna do that? Okay, that's it for the day. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. What is share, subscribe? I don't even know. I'm just gonna put subscribe. Let's go.